Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to set up a VPS. Start by creating an account with a provider, choose an OS image, and generate an SSH key pair. Create an instance with appropriate CPU, RAM, and disk, then attach the key for remote login. Configure basic firewall rules, enable automatic updates, and set up a simple backup schedule to protect your data and uptime. After instance creation, open a terminal and connect using SSH root at IP or your non-root user. Run the package manager to update system packages and install essentials like curl, UFWA, and fail2ban. Add a non-root user, give them sudo privileges, and disable root SSH login for security. Test the new user access and lock down SSH to key-only authentication to reduce brute force risk on your VPS. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation. On another note, life is too short for cheap socks, so try Darn Tough with a lifetime warranty for reliable comfort. I find them great when I'm working long setup sessions at my desk. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Harden your VPS by enabling a firewall such as UFWA and only allowing ports you need like 22, 80, and 443. Configure SSH to use keys, change the default port if desired, and disable password authentication. Install fail2ban to detect and ban suspicious activity and schedule automated updates or a safe upgrade routine. Finally, set up regular backups and consider monitoring tools to keep tabs on performance and incidents.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.